Hello, my name is Emma Buckley, Director of Nutrition at Gourmet Fuel, and we are going to be providing your child their hot school lunch in the new year. We're very excited to be working with you and your school in providing nutritious and delicious meals every day from our own dedicated kitchens based in Sandyford. You may have already heard of us. We've been serving nutritious meals to our amazing customers all over Ireland for over a decade, and now we're bringing those made from scratch recipes into primary schools in our local area. To begin, visit gourmetfuel.com/schools. You should get this link in an email from your school. You'll be able to read more about the service and a little bit more about us. You'll see a button then called Parent Portal. So hit that and you'll be brought through to the Gourmet Fuel School Bites login page. The QR code will bring you directly to the app. You'll need your school code, which you'll find on your information email. So login and creating an account are pretty straightforward. At the login page, if you already have an account created, simply enter your email address and password and click login. But when you're here for the first time, you'll need to create an account. So you just click Create New Account button and follow the steps to get set up. We ask you to please use an email address for your login information rather than a username. Once logged in, you can add your child to your account by clicking the Add Child button. To add a child, you will need your child's unique student ID code. This will be provided to you by your school. If you don't have one yet, please contact your school for this. So enter their unique ID code. Follow this by clicking the Find Student Account, and that will locate your child's details. Your child's information will now appear, including student ID, their full name, their grade or class, and school details. It's really important to make sure that these are correct, so please do review these details carefully. So now we move on to allergens. So if your child has a food allergy, you just click the allergen here and save that to their profile. This will automatically exclude these meals available to your child. Once you're satisfied that all information is correct, click the Add Child button. Your child's profile can now be viewed from the parent account homepage. To add another child to your parent account, click the Add Child icon at the right side of the parent homepage. You can now repeat the same steps to add your next child. You find them with their unique ID. You add their unique ID. Review the information, their name, class, the school, ensure everything is correct. And then also just select any known allergens. Once you're happy with everything, click the Add Child button. There are two ways to order and use the system. One is by placing a manual order and the other one is automated. But in order to use the automated feature, you need to have favourites, and you won't have those yet for another few months. So let's discuss only the manual ordering process now. So click the new order icon on the profile of the child you wish to order for. You choose manual order. Select the correct child from your list, ensuring any others are deselected by removing the blue tick beside their name. Use the drop-down menu next to your child's name to choose the appropriate portion size. We have junior sizes and senior sizes for the younger and the older children. You will now be taken to the calendar to place your monthly order. On the desktop, you can choose from 3 views: weekly, monthly, compact, or monthly detailed. Click the plus icon on a date to view the menu for that day. Select one meal for your child by clicking Add to Cart. To change a meal, click the trash can icon to remove it. Then click the plus icon to view the day's menus and select Add to Cart. Please note, you must remove the existing meal before adding a new one. Continue these steps to populate the month's selection of meals. Once the month of meals has been populated, click Proceed to Checkout, highlighted in yellow. You can view the order summary by clicking the View Cart button. You will see the meal selected for each date. Click Place Order. Once your order is placed, you'll receive an order number, a summary, and an email confirmation. If you've changed your mind on an order, no problem. As long as you're still outside of the order cutoff window, which is 7 days from the day of delivery, you'll be able to change a meal to a different choice. Click Modify Order on your child's profile on the homepage. You'll then be brought to the calendar where you can see the meals previously selected. To change a meal, simply click the trash can next to it. The meal will turn red with a strike through, indicating it's been successfully removed. Then click the plus icon to select a replacement meal. Click the reverse arrow to undo any changes. To add a meal to a day with no selection, click the plus icon and choose from the available menu. To remove a day of meals, click the trash can icon beside the meal name. Again, you'll see the meal change to red with a strike through. There is now no meal scheduled for that day. Proceed to checkout once you're happy with your modifications and follow the same previous steps to place the order. All right, let's look at the app. At the login page, if you've an account already, you simply enter your email address, your password, and click login. If you don't and you're setting one up for the first time, you follow the same steps, create new account, and follow the steps to get set up. We ask you use, again, just an email address for clarity on this rather than a username. Once you're logged in, then you can start adding your child or children to your account simply by clicking the Add Child button at the top left corner of the screen. Again, to add the child, you will need the child's unique student ID code. You enter that code, followed by Find Student Account to locate your child's details. Please make sure that the details that do appear are all correct. Click Save Child once you're confident the information is indeed correct. Then you go onto the allergens, click the Dietary Restrictions button under your child's profile. It's located under their unique student ID code. Select any relevant allergen by clicking the circle next to the allergen. To deselect, simply re-click the circle. Click Save Dietary Restrictions at the bottom of the screen to save changes. To add another child to your parent account, click the Add Child icon at the top left corner of the parent homepage. You can now repeat the same steps to add your second child. Finding their child using their unique ID, you save the child and then you go on to select any known allergens. Please make sure that all of that information is indeed correct, especially in terms of the allergens. It's very important. Now, let's go to making an order. So you want to click the new order icon on the profile of the child you wish to order for. Select the correct child from your list. Choose Manually Selected Items. You're then taken to the calendar to place your monthly order. Select the weekly calendar dates using the arrows at the top of the screen. Click the plus icon on a date to view the menu for that day. Select one meal for your child by clicking Add. To change a meal, swipe left and click the red X to remove it. Then click the plus icon to view the day's menu and select Add. Please note, you must remove the existing meal before adding a new one. There's only one meal allowed in the system per day. Continue these steps to populate the month's selections of meals. Click Proceed to Checkout when you're happy with your selections. You can then view a summary of the order. To modify an existing order, click the Modify Order button on your child's profile on the parent homepage. And again, as long as you're outside of the order cutoff window of 7 days, you'll be able to swap meals around no problem. Select the correct date for the calendar using the arrows at the top of the page. To change a meal, simply swipe left on the item and click the red X. The meal will turn red with a strike through, indicating it's been successfully removed. Then click the plus button to select a replacement meal from the available menu by clicking Add. To add a meal to a day with no selection, click the plus icon and choose from the available menu. Proceed to checkout once you're happy with your modifications and follow the same previous steps to place the order. So, that's it. It's not too difficult. Customer care is equally important to us as nutrition at Gourmet Fuel. We want to get this right for you and for your child. We're here to support your child with their daily nutrition, but also you with the ordering process and indeed any nutrition or account queries you may have. You can reach us directly at schools@gourmetfuel.com, by phone on 01293 8799 and live chat through gourmetfuel.com. We're excited for this new chapter. We hope you are too.